Hi everybody, so I'm super excited because this is my first video on YouTube and I got a silly Squishies package. So yay, here's the silly Squishies package. And yeah, it's super duper cute packaging, and here's the back, just my address. So yeah, so let's cut this up. So I'm gonna do some magic here and we're just gonna cut this up, and I'm gonna cut this up. Ready? And it's all gonna be cut. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So yeah, so you guys are gonna look first. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out the first thing. It's their new Hello Kitty Melton Squishy for Halloween. It's so cute. So soft and squishy. This is so squishy. Here's the back. Sorry about the glare. And here's the tag. And it's obviously different. So I'm going to take this out of packaging. So 3, 2, 1. So here's a squishy, and it's super duper soft and cute. And look how cute it is. It's got sprinkles and it's got like a black dip. So solarizing. Look how squishy that is. Here's the back, and it's super smooth. I think this is the smoothest Hello Kitty donut I have. So yeah, that's my Hello Kitty donut. It's so cute. So yeah. Then the last thing in my package that I got is another Hello Kitty donut, and it's the jack-o'-lantern. So squishy. So here's the back, and it's a different color donut. It's like a red orange donut. So yeah, I'm gonna take this out of packaging as well. And look at it. I think this might be softer than the other Hello Kitty donut. Look how squishy it is. And here's the back, and it's like an orange color. Look how flat it goes. Oh my gosh, this is so squishy. So yeah, so those are the 2 items that I got, and let me see. There's no extra, but that is totally fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below. And yeah, comment down below what I should start doing on my new channel. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, please. And don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to order these squishies because they are amazing and they're so cheap. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and bye!